welcome back to my channel. I haven't asked you guys how this new year is going on. Have you made any resolution for this 2021? If yes, don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. Coming back to the recipe. There are 3 basic chutney recipes which are very essential for any chaat recipe. One is green chutney, the other one is sweet chutney, and the third one is red chutney. So this video is about green chutney. There are many ways to prepare this green chutney. I follow the simplest form of it. So let's get started and check out the process. Here I am collecting fresh mint leaves for the chutney. I prefer to maintain my kitchen garden where I grow some herbs and few vegetables which I'll be using in the many recipes. This practice helped me a lot during lockdown period. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of coriander, half cup of mint leaves or pudina, and 2 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves, an inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add salt according to your taste. Add 2 green chilies. Add half cup of water and grind it to a smooth paste. Now our green chutney is ready. Isn't it the easy recipe? Look at the beautiful color of a green chutney. Without this chutney, our chaats are incomplete. Try this recipe at home and let me know your experience in the comment section below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like the recipe, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for being with me.